So we are now going to take a look here at this new Fenix T6, a tactical pen with up to 80 lumens. And this one has this integrated LED light, a glass breaker, and of course also the pen. There's an indication LED that shows you the battery status. Press and hold the switch to switch on the flashlight, or basically this pen. 1 lumen, and we have 20 lumens and 80 lumens now in turbo. This pen is rechargeable by USB-C. You can take off the head and there you will see the USB-C port. We are soon going to take a look at that. Before we do that, we are going to take a look at the lumen levels. 80 lumens high, 20 lumens medium, 1 lumen low mode. Now this is how it looks like with the head taken off. USB-C port to recharge the light, and of course also now you can use it. It doesn't have to be attached to the pen itself. And we are also going to take a look at the beam. And we are back. Turbo, 80 lumens with the Fenix T6. A super nice wide illumination here, very wide. Let's say floodlight, because I don't really see any spot here. It's really a wide, nice floodlight. 80 lumens, turbo, 1 lumen, 20 lumens and 80 lumens. I would say this is already quite strong. A lot of light for this small size. The Fenix T6. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.